Hiya pawb, yn y fideo yma, ni'n mynd yn cwpl o pethau wahanol chi'n gallu gwneud gyda llysiau ar gyfer y diwrnod mawr. In this video, I'm going to show you a few different things you can do with certain veg for the big day. So yn gyntaf, bresych coch. Firstly, red cabbage. Okay, so I'm going to torri'r bresych coch. So remember to cut into small pieces, okay, shred it possibly, and then once you've shredded it, you then need to cut up 2 apples, and remember to take the core out. Nesa, mae angen torri'r ambell i 2 afal, a cofio tynnu allan y canol yr afal oherwydd mae hyn gallu bod yn galed. Eto, felly mynd i sgwario bach, so just into small diced pieces, ac bydd hyn yn cael ei cymysgu mewn gyda'r bresych coch. Okay, you don't need to be too fussy with it, just little slices, because obviously it's all going to be mixed in together later on. Once you've cut the apple up, okay, it's on then on to the next to make sort of the mixture that's going to go on top of it. Okay, you can also add an onion. Chi'n gallu ychwanegu wynwnsyn bach i bydd ein coch neu'n gwyn. Okay, so a red or a white onion would be fine for this as well. And then just make sure it's all mixed in together before adding the dressing. Okay, so nes i beth i cymysgu yn fanol cyn ychwanegu ffrwyd o'r dressing. So mewn y dressing, na gyd sydd dyn ni ydi sugar brown, tymed bach o cinnamon, tymed bach o meal a sydd oren. So all that's in this is a bit of orange juice, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, honey, and also a bit of brown sugar. Okay, chi'n gallu gratio tymed bach o oren, neu cael ei zest o'r oren i'n mynd i fe, eto bydd hwn ychwanegu fel dwfnder o blas. If you add some orange zest, it'll add a depth of flavour. And then once you've zested this in, get your hands into it. So cymysgu fe yn fanwl iawn gyda'ch bysedd chi, o'ch dwylo chi. Ac yna, gorchuddio ffoil a mewn i'r ffwrn 180 am 20 munud. Then cover with foil into the oven 180 degrees for about 20 minutes. Nesa, un o'n hoff I ni, tato sauce. So next, one of my favourites, okay, roast potatoes. Nech siwr bod taten da, dych chi unwaith chi wedi crafu a torri nhw. Okay, chi nawn ni ychwanegu nhw tymed bach o dŵr gyda halen a fe. So once you cut and peel your potatoes and you're happy with the size of them, put them into a pan of water, adding some salt, okay, and bring them to sort of a gentle boil. Unwaith chi'n gweld y dŵr yn dechrau mydferwi, mae'n amser I arllwys allan. Once you see sort of a rolling boil, okay, pour the potatoes out into a colander, and then in the colander, if you mix it about, it'll give sort of these rough edges. So siglo fe a cael y ochrau rough yma I gael y blawd I sticio fe. So na gyd fi'n gwneud ydi ychwanegu tymed bach o blawd gyda tymed bach o halen o pibr a'i adael tra bod yr olew yn twymo yn y ffwrn. A byddai'n dangos yna chi nesaf, okay? So cofiwch ychwanegu digon o olew I gwirio'r tin. Okay, rwy'n tymed bach o thyme, mellach rosemary. Make sure you put plenty of oil in the bottom of the tin. Get this hot into an oven now. You can add some thyme or some rosemary like I have. Okay, again, just add a different type of flavour. Remember, when you put the potatoes in, they need to be sizzling so that they can catch and give those sort of roast edges. So neu siŵr bod y olew yn twym iawn, a chi'n gwneud hwn trwy just gwirio, trwy roi un mewn, a dylech chi gweld yr ochrau yn sizzla, a mae'n dechrau codi lan. Unwaith chi'n tato's cyfer mewn, trowch y drysol, so mae'n I gorchuddio mewn olew. Once the potatoes are in, okay, just cover them all in oil, and again, into the oven, about 180 degrees, for about 35 to 40 minutes. So mewn i'r ffwrn, okay, 180 degrees Celsius, falle tymach yn dwymach I bod I 35 I 40 munud. Perffaith. Ac yn ola, rhywbeth bach wahanol. Okay, so finally now, something a little bit different. Okay, we're going to make some carrots. Okay, so a whole batten with some star anise and some honey. So unwaith chi wedi crafu nhw, okay, chi'ch torri'r top a'r pen off. Once you've peeled them, cut the tops and bottom off, and then cut lengthways. And again, similar to potatoes, okay, into a boiling water, a little bit of salt just to soften them up for when they go in the oven. Okay, cofiwch dreinio, defnyddio'r colander eto I wneud siŵr bod gyda'r hylif allan. Cofiwch gallu cadw hwn ar gyfer grefi chi, coni ddechrau stemio lan am ddiheriad. So once you've used the colander to drain it, apologies for the steaming up there. Okay, remember, you can keep this water to make your gravy a bit more flavourful. Ac unwaith chi'n hapus, rhowch nhw mewn tin pobi gyda sugar brown, a star anise a'r meal. Once you're happy, star anise, honey and brown sugar and in the oven. Felly, rwy'n gobeithio wedi dangos chi sdim rhaid I llysiau I fod yn ddiflas. Okay, so I've hopefully shown you the vegetables don't need to be boring. You can add a bit of spice to it, a bit of herbs to it, again, just to sort of freshen it up, give it something, a bit of depth of flavour. So mae'n modd ychwanegu llawer o bethau fel space a perlysiau. A diolch yn fawr am gwrando unwaith eto, a Nadolig llawen pawb.